Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurzulha binti Umar Rashid. My matric number 255574. I'm from Bachelor of Science in Decision Science. Firstly, I want to say thank you for Dr. Nurul Naziha binti Hawari because give me opportunity to present our research. The title of my research is Traveling Salesman Problem Using High Climbing and Simulated Annealing Method to Solve Shorter Path Between Two Intersections on a Road Map in University Utara Malaysia from Anjung Tamu to 30 destinations. Firstly, I want to introduce our research. University Utara Malaysia was established on 16 February 1984 by other University Utara Malaysia. University Utara Malaysia has consistently been ranked as the second largest university in Malaysia. The main campus is situated on a 1,061 hectare site in Sintuk, Kedah. The campus has grown into an open campus where outside and traveller has the right to visit and use the different facilities inside it. Then, amenities include a picnic area, a 9-hole golf course, a go-kart circle, a shooting and archery range, a quartet venue, and several others that are quickly gaining prominence among visitors and campus community members alike. From that, I'm trying to measuring the shorter road problem by using the problem of traveling salesman. The shorter path problem is the problem finding a path between two threads or knot in around such that a sum of weight of its contiguous edge is reduced as is a move or a knot. The problem statement I will decide because the important to find the short road between the identified two knots make it easier to visitor to go their destination by using short and not wasting long hours. Then, the travel to our destination is more organized without going beyond other destination with a given road. Many visitors will use it to save us time while visitors will going all knots without using many roads. The above, the area of University Utara Malaysia and has 30 destinations to visit according to wish of the visitor themselves. The research objective is to identify the variable required to the model development 30 nodes, then to develop a mathematical model of shorter route using the high climbing and simulated annealing method, and the third, to find the optimal solution of the shorter route between Anjung Tamu and Varsity Mall using the developed model. In mathematical model development, in this research, I use a solution traveling salesman problem (TSP) of fraction high climbing and simulated annealing. TSP is one of the heuristic technique method to find the optimal solution of traveling. In the left-hand side, I using the high climbing step. They start from determine if the salesman performing the current swapping in the salesman, and the last step is back to return step 1. For the right hand side, analyzing step. Firstly, take the problem specific choice, then second generic choice. The software I will use in this research to get the solution is Microsoft Visual Studio C++ software to find the shortest distance. This example data collected I will get. First started in Inasis Bank Muamalat and the lastly is MOS. The data is collected according the existing data taken from the website of University Utara Malaysia. Data will be obtained on the basis of secondary data. For the secondary data, the data will be obtained using the Google Map and all the according involved, which have 30 nodes in the UUM will be registered. This is example coordinate I will get from the Google Map. After that, I using all coordinate and put in the software to get the result. This section of the data that has been run after run. For the high climbing, I get the result is 0.107687, and for the simulated annealing, I got 0.128463. Summarize solution I will get after I do the comparison which in between high climbing and simulated annealing. The best solution I will get from high climbing because the result is 0.107687 because this is a small and the short part. For the simulated annealing, I will get 0.128463. This is largest, not a shorted part. Same like the traveling salesman, the high climbing also like the shorted distance 11910 meter. Valuation of this study is valid because of the same test response. Based on the result, we can conclude that using high climbing to solve UUN traveler problem is the best solution. For the conclusion, the use of virtual annealing or high climbing is a reasonable option because of its simplicity of accused. Alternative strategy can only be used where the identified annealing or high climbing is not good enough. Other approaches such as genetic algorithm and hyperheuristic technique also can use this approach at some stage in their algorithm, either to produce an initial population or as a higher level heuristic. The poor performance of simulation annealing random demonstrate how problematic particular meta-heuristic techniques are highlight the importance of the current part of organization research. For example, hyperheuristic seem like one size fits all as opposed to meta-heuristic tailor-made. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Finally, I would like to say thank you very much for Dr. Nurul Naziha because which helped me a lot in preparation this research project and got me